Hey guys, in this video, we're going to go over how to integrate Twitter with Make.com. So now I am on my Make.com dashboard. Once you're logged in, you come here, the top right, click on Create a New Scenario. Okay, now once we click on this, we basically search for Twitter, okay, which is here called X-Tweet. So just type in X-Tweet. There you go. We have xtweetapi.com. So this is what we're going to be using. You can do a bunch of different things. You can tweet, right? Or post, create likes, unlike, create bookmarks, send a direct message, follow someone, unfollow, make an API call, whatever it is. So let's say we choose send a DM. Of course, you'll need to, set up your own inputs and output scenarios. But first, you need to just create a connection. So you just come here, click on create a connection. Okay, go ahead and name this whatever you want and just enter your API key and save. Okay, then go ahead and set up your integration. Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.